Dude on the old school RM, bro. Well, that's new. Shit. Struggle City, holy shit. So it's going to be pushing down more, flatten the tyre, so hopefully I'll get some grip. I'm going to run 5 laps, see if I can figure this shit out, see how the bike feels. Felt a bit better that time. I can't turn in a rut, eh?
No, you need
I can't. Turning to the right just wigs me out.
You need to keep up the speed though for the rut.
Like I'm fine when I'm turning to like leaning left, when I have to lean right, just can't do it. I'm going no goggles.
Nah, I can't do that. You need the goggles.
There's not that many people, bro. Oh shit. Ah, god damn it! Damn it! Put your eyes up, bro! I knew you did. You were not even looking forward, bro. Oh shit. Down the gas. Oh, look at my hands. I fucking slipped out right there. Right after I made fun of you for fucking doing it over there. I'm right here. That's where I'm looking, bro. You need to get your head up and just look forward and just let the bike kind of, don't look at the rut.
That's not gonna happen, God. You have to look where you're going.
You're just like, no, you're meant to look up. I'm looking dead fucking down, bro. Like right at the front wheel. Dude, my helmet is so wet right now.
So wet.
Okay. No, it won't start, bro.